I'm Jayne Lee. I'm Executive Director of Human Nature Dance Theatre, and we've been nominated for our performance of Weatherwild. Weatherwild is a dance theatre performance. We showed it at Coconino Centre for the Arts in October last year. It involved me, Jayne Lee, Delisa Miles, Paul Moore, Bob Webb and Francis Martineau. It's about how the weather affects our emotions and how our emotions seem also perhaps to reflect the weather. It's also about environmental change, climate change, and bringing our attention to how the change in the climate affects us emotionally. We're thrilled to be nominated this year again. It's always a great honour to be recognised by our community.